Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to change ownership on Facebook page. So what you want to do first is that make sure you log into your Facebook business page, as the one I'm doing right here. Now once you're logged in, go to settings on your Facebook page, and then just go straight ahead on the search bar so we don't have to look for it. Type in here access, and you'll see right there, page access. Click on that one right there. You can add a new access for people with Facebook access or people with task access. So if I click on add new rate that one, you can click on next, look for anyone you want to add or give access to. Moving forward, they will now have access to this Facebook account or rather Facebook business page as a whole and not just a task. Because if I go back earlier, you'll notice that you can give access on two separate occasions. You can give access to Facebook access all the way or just with task access. So you don't have to get an admin access to anyone you don't like. So basically that one, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.